Hey kids, let's play, sing and learn. Come on, let's go. This is number 1. Count with me. 1 is small, 1 is fun. 1 apple for everyone. Number 2. This is number 2. Count with me. 1, 2. 2 is more than 1, you see. 2 bananas for you and me. Number 3. This is number 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 is fun. Come count with me. 3 kiwis. Green and happy. Number 4. This is number 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is strong. 4 is great. 4 guavas on my plate. Number 5. This is number 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 is big. 5 is fun. 5 blueberries. Number 6. This is number 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is nice. Count it quick. 6 strawberries. Sweet and thick. Number 7. This is number 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is cool. 7 is fun. 7 dragon fruits. Number 8. This is number 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is great. 8 is clean. 8 avocados. Green and green. Number 9. This is number 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 is fine. Count it slow. 9 lemons. Yellow glow. Number 10. This is number 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is big. Shout again. 10. Pineapples. Come on, friends. Let's sing together.
Let's count together. Come and play with me. Clap your hands and count along. So happy we will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone.
Let's count some more.
Number 11. This is number 11. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is fun. Let's learn more. 11 oranges. Number 12. This is number 12. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is great, nice, and new. 12 watermelons. Before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos. Number 13. This is number 13. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is cool, count with me. 13 mangosteens. Number 14. This is number 14. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is nice. Let's explore. 14. Rambutan fruit. Number 15. This is number 15. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is fun. Count some more. 15 mangoes. Number 16. This is number 16. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is sweet. Count it slow. 16 blueberries. Number 17. This is number 17. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is fine. Let's see. 17 lychees. Number 18. This is number 18. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is great. Count again. 18. Star fruit. Number 19. This is number 19. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is fun. Let's count more. 19 grapes. Number 20. This is number 20. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes!
Now that you know how to count from 1 to 20, let's count together. Are you ready?
Let's count together, nice and slow with me. Clap your hands and count along. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4, 5, 6. Counting is fun. Do a little mix. 9, 7, 8, 9. You're doing great. Feeling fine. 10. Let's say it again. 11, 12. Say it slow and clear as well. 13, 14. Counting numbers so routine. 15, 16. Keep it going. You're a star. 17, 18. Almost there. We've come so far. 19, 20. Yay! Counting is easy. Great job counting. You did it today. Let's count again. Another day.
Wow, you are amazing. Now that you know how to count, how old are you?
Nice answer. Now can you count your fingers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, congratulations. You did it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.